What's up, guys? So this is our first two, actually three jobs, but two of the jobs are on the same property. This is the once a month rug cleaning. Let me turn this around. Rug cleaning, so we do some area rugs in here and all the patio furniture. So it ends up being $990 job. It takes us about 2.5 hours to do. Then we're gonna head off all the cushions. We gotta bring them out there on. You probably, if you watch my channel, you probably see us do it. But my main point to this video is, you know, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out in 2.5 hours. Then we can go to another winery, and we're gonna do some area rugs there, and we're gonna do a sectional in another building. So it's gonna suck. So we're gonna have to wrap it up, you know, and move the van over there. But still, it won't be more than a 4-hour day. Today will be $1,700 and some change a day for, you know, a carpet cleaner. So I'm not saying this is gonna happen to you right away, or you might just get lucky and have those contacts, you know, actually go give estimates. If you got wineries in your area, go give estimates. Go give the cars to whoever you need to give the car to. You know, offer patio furniture cleaning and area rug cleaning, because those are pretty much the big things in wineries. So think about it. Your area, whatever it may be, that's big venues, maybe I don't know, restaurants or whatever. You know, that's an income, and you can get annual. So here's some. They added these recently because it was first $600 something job, and then they bought all these. And I swear to God, these are so quick and easy. They only added a half hour, you know. So $1,700 something dollar day, 4 hours of work. How long would it take you to do that? So don't you think it's worth building your business slowly, maybe buying a tool, build your business, start building your website, get your online presence going, know how to structure your business properly, and get it started, even if that takes you 6 months, even a year, right? Just build it up. And then you'll have all the tools, then you'll have the business built, and then it'll just grow from every year after year, it'll just grow. Building that business model from the get-go correctly is mandatory, because if you don't do that, it could be 5 years down the line until you figure it out. You don't want to do that. That's why I made my course, Starting the Carpet Cleaning Business 101. You know, I'm going to talk about it. I'm not cramming down anybody's throat, but for those who need to hear it, you know, they're hearing it. And this will shorten that learning curve, right? You got a learning curve like this, it'll be more like this. And you can get started right, not like most carpet cleaners that maybe start out, buy all this equipment, and pretty soon, 6 months later, they're selling all the equipment. It's not the equipment, it's not that there isn't any work, it's that they don't know how to build that business model that will keep them alive and actually stronger every year. All right, so we just got back from Universal Studios for 2 days. It cost us about $1,700. We'll make that back in 4 hours. All right. day was 5 hours, so an hour longer than I thought. We actually had